This video may contain scenes not appropriate for all of ages. Parental guidance is advised. In some part of the video, I may speak Bisaya, my dialect, Tagalog, the national language, and English, which is the international language. This is to accommodate the vast majority of the audience around the globe. Char! Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I am going to do an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I received a product that someone bought for me, someone close to my heart, and she's been really my #1 fan. So she bought me this product, and it came from the United States. Yes, this product is for it's
Kayo na kumausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo ang English niyan! Sasapakin ko yan!
This product is for when... So, guys, I'm quite excited to open this, product because I've been longing to have this, and it's kind of expensive. I have much money to buy this, pero and finally someone bought for me, bigay sa akin, and she's my #1 fan, and she's been supporting me since whatever I'm doing, and she told me na hindi masyadong maganda yung audio ng pagka-cover ko, so she gave me this. Sinabi niya sa akin na pumili ka, binigyan niya ako ng choice doon sa taas, pumili ka, and then pumili ka na gusto mo. So that's why I chose this one, and she bought this from Amazon, Amazon.com, and it came from the United States. So I know this product is sort of legit, unlike from other online shops na hindi mo alam kung talagang legit ba talaga yung mga products nila. So yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing and let's see what you really...
Oh, ang gulo na naman! Ang gulo magsalita eh! Hindi maintindihan ba sinabi?
What it really looks like. So, ito na siya yung box niya. Medyo mabigat siya. Excited ako kasi at least meron ako magandang mic pag magre-record ako ng kanta. So, tara, i-open na natin. Here it is. I'm gonna start just glance ako. Bago natin i-open yung box. Let's go there. Di ba box pa lang maganda na siya? It's whitehead. Oh! Wait, how am I gonna open this? Open this. Pass. Yun. Kahirapan na itong i-abre. Ano ba tabi? Ito pala. Ang na. Pagkatama lang. Siya. Oh, shoot. Ano ba ito yung? Ganun pala, tanga talaga eh. Yan. Oh! Ito siya. Ito yung ano siya, kung ano siya. Foam. Foam. And then open muna natin ito. So, may kasama siyang foam at saka yung maliit na ring light. Yan. And then, ano ba ilalagay dyan kanina? Then, yung foam sa mic. And then, yung I don't know what it is. I don't know kung ano to, yung dyan pinapasok yung mic. Yung I don't know kung ano to. Tsaka ito yung manual. Manual. Tsaka wait. And the mic itself. Charot, the mic itself. Okay. And then yung stand niya. Ano pa? And then the cord. So yun lang. Okay na siya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano ito siya i-hook up. So I'll get back to you guys. I-hook up. Itatry ko muna i-hook up ito. And pakita ko sa inyo kung anong kabuuang itsura nito. So, be right back na guys. Stay tuned.
One eternity later.
So, ito na siya guys. Nasarap ko na siya. Ito. Yan. Ang ginawa ko lang is, tawag dito, ginawa ko siyang ganyan instead of, pag ganon, katulad nito. Ito yung ring light niya. Ito yung sa I don't know, para saan to. Ito yung mic. And then, ito yung hinukap ko siya dito sa gilid ng PC. So, may natitira siyang ito yung foam. Just in case na hindi ko to gagamitin, pwede ko siyang like isampak dyan. And then, para gawing, hawakan or whatever. Ganon. So, yeah. So, I'm quite excited to use this. Oh! So, ito na siya guys. Yung hukap ko na siya yung condenser mic. So, hello guys, welcome back. So, natapos ko na rin siyang i-hook up. Yun na, napakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung kabuuan ng condenser mic. And next video, I will try it. Ikukumpara ko siya kung sa usual na ginagamit ko. Kasi, pag nagre-record kasi ako, earphone lang kasi yung gamit, yung earphone na may mic yung gamit ko. So, with this, most mga recordings for mga cover ko, gagamitan ko na siya ng, yung mic na yun, yung condenser mic. So, yun lang siguro yung video na yun. I'm so excited to use this. Na finally, I have those mic. And thank you so much sa taong nagbigay nito. Hindi ko siya mabibili kasi it's expensive, yo. But, again, thankfully, thanks sa nagbili, and then, pagpatuloy ko na ang aking paggawa or pagka-cover ng mga music. So, that's all for today, guys. And if you have anything to just, comment down below, and I'll be glad to, or appreciate lahat ng mga lahat ng mga comments niyo sa akin. So, maraming salamat, and once again, Boy Visaya here, and peace out!